Rio Felix on Highway 285, 18 miles north of the Chaves County line, looking east towards Hagerman. Okay, this is Morgan Road on the Rio Felix. I'm about probably 3 or 4 miles east of the bridge on the Rio Felix on Highway 285, and I'm looking north. This is a normally dry arroyo. This is Rio Felix that has flooded from heavy rainfall last night west of this location. I'm looking west, and I'm panning back north. Okay, I'm on Lincoln Road, taking out that tree. The debris here held up in these small elm trees. Panning back to the north. There's a mobile home, a farm right here on the edge of the arroyo. Now I'm looking east. This is Walnut Arroyo on Spence Road, 3 miles north of the Chaves County line. I'm looking east, and where these people are, the water washed out the road, exposed some piping here. And this is the roadway where it crosses the normally dry arroyo. 12:33 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Wednesday, July 22nd, 2009. And I'm looking south. This is Spence Road. This is where the arroyo crosses Spence Road. And you can see that it's running about half full of what it was earlier. So looking at the debris field on Spence Road to my south. I'm looking southwest. And you can get an idea how far the water came up onto the road with the debris, sand and debris here. Panning to the right, looking due south, you can tell by the debris field the water has receded about halfway from its earlier depth. Looking southwest, and I'm panning to the right, to the northwest, to show you the debris line on the road looking back north. State Road 2 looking south, a mile south of Lake Arthur. The farmer in the previous video said he had 4 2/10 inches about a mile west of here last night.